A normal day. I can finally relax and eat some food because I am very hungry. So let's check in here. Ooh, bread. Not having that. Can I have some cereal? No. That's a good one idea. Come here. Come here. Okay. It's not coming here. All right. Then I'll mic check. Mic check. No! Wait. What am I supposed to do? I gotta go ask Donald. Man, I don't like the Nothing channel. I can finally relax. Hey, Donald. Can you give me a favor? Oh, no. I want to lay in this couch. Oh, so, can you give me my bowl, please? Oh, come on. I just want to lay here and watch TV. Well, you have to do my dishes, please. Fine. I'll do it. All right. I see a bowl. Maybe I see them. But I can't reach them, but I'll go in there. I do not like the Nothing channel, but I'm so tired and I need a nap. What a great nap. All right, let me check. Wait, where am I? Daisy, Donald, Goofy, is Goofy here? He's not, but I gotta find out. Minnie, Mickey, I gotta go find Mickey. Why, Daisy? I found you, Donald. Wait, what's wrong? Well, you just dated Daisy! What? I dated Daisy? Yes, you dated Daisy. How did I dated Daisy? Why? Well, it's because you dated my... I'm tired. Okay, I'll go find Daisy. Daisy! Whoa. What do you want? Can you please come over here and explain to me why are you in here? So, what are you doing in here? Well, let's say at this point. Well, did I just date with you? I think you did. What? Yeah, you dated with me for like 10 days. Okay. So, what am I supposed to do? Don't cough on me. I'm sorry. Okay, so get out, please. Okay. Man, what a long day for me and Pluto and me getting dated in 2 days. Okay, so where am I supposed to find Minnie? Yeah, I must have. What? What the heck is going on? I'm still sitting. Why? Why are you sitting? Because I'm sitting and having a date. Okay. A normal day. I can finally relax and eat some food because I am very hungry. So let's check in there. Oh, that's so cool. Which is I don't like. This bread is good, but this cereal is good. And here we go. We got some hot dog buns, a might eat that for lunch with Minnie. Okay. So many? Is that a cake? Let me check it out. It's not okay. Whoops. Man, it doesn't matter. I'm not hungry. Huh? What? It's another bee. What the? Where am I? You're in my place. Huh? Why am I in your place? Well, it's because you are in my place with Minnie. Do not worry about it. I'll stay with Minnie. Okay, well, gotta go check Donald. Okay. Oh, man. Donald, I found Daisy. She's in your room. Really? Yeah. Then I must find him. I wonder where she is. There she is. I can't believe it. I found her. Ugh. I'm gonna go on a date with her. Okay, Donald, have fun dazing with Daisy. Okay. Well, I gotta go. All right. Well, I need to not watch black movies anymore. Hey, Mickey, what are you doing? Pluto, you're here. So, I was watching Not a Black Show, Nothing Channel. So you don't like the Nothing Channel, huh? Yeah, I don't like the Nothing Channel. Okay, but just turn on the TV, okay? Okay, right. Alright, I'm gonna turn this on and on. Well, I guess this should be perfect. Man, it sure has been pretty long day for on Sundays. Am I right, Minnie? Nah, I guess you're right. It is a long day for this month of Sundays. Is in November 27th, 2022. Yeah, this year has been so long because it will be 2023 soon. Well, okay. Soon it's going to be 2023. So, if you want Pluto's New Year's on the short videos, so you better hit this like button, comment below, and I'll see you until the New Year's. Good. Okay. So what are we supposed to do? Well, we're just gonna wait for Donald or Pluto, I mean. I think Donald's gonna get married with Daisy. Oh, I'm sorry. Is he going on a date with her? Yeah. Okay. Alright. Well, that's it. Hey guys. Donald's getting married. So, yeah. Wait. Hold on. I gotta tell you something. What is it? Somebody wanted a video of New Year's of 2023. Is that okay? Sure. I can make it. So, you guys wanted a brand new New Year video. Okay. Well, this is going to be saying so. So, what are you guys doing? Well, we must say so. So, we are sitting here and relaxing with Minnie. So, I'm relaxing with Minnie, not you. Oh, okay. If you say so. That's okay for that. So Pluto, how about if you can fall, okay? What? What am I supposed to do? Well, what you're supposed to do is fall down. How am I supposed to fall down while you were in here? I don't care. That doesn't matter. So, how about that? Step 1, you'll walk, and step 2, fall down. Okay. If I say so. So, I gotta go. So, bye. Bye, Pluto. Ah, what a long day, Minnie. Yup. Wait, there's two of you? Don't worry about it. Well, here we go. It's time to wake up.
Now, kids, don't try this at home.
Oh, it was just a dream. I gotta go outside. I'm so hot. Alright, Pluto, I cleaned your dishes and whoa. I can't believe he's gone. Maybe he went outside and pee. Yeah, whatever. I'm so tired. I need a nap. Huh? What? What? Where am I? I wonder where Mickey is, huh? Oh, hey Mickey, what's going on? Don't you remember? Me and you, we're getting married today. I have a bad dream. Well, I gotta go take a shower. Pluto puppet, you know that what to do. If I see you, I'ma knee you like a beast. I go beating. You know this what to do.